14-inch hair length guide. How it looks, styles, and best extensions to choose. In the hair extensions industry, choosing the right length is one of the most important decisions that directly affects the final look, comfort, and customer satisfaction. Among all available options, 14-inch hair length is often considered the perfect step up from shoulder length, offering more elegance while remaining manageable. This length is ideal for those who want a slightly longer, more feminine appearance without going into high-maintenance long hair. Whether the goal is to achieve a collarbone to upper chest look, add volume, or create more defined hairstyles, 14-inch hair length is a highly popular choice among both individual users and salons. In this comprehensive guide, you will learn everything about 14-inch hair length, including how it looks, who it suits, styling ideas, extension types, and how to maximize its value in hair extensions. https://then-an.com/14-inch-hair-length-guide/ #14-inch hair length # what is 14 inches of hair # how long is 14 inches of hair #keratin hair extensions #WEFT hair extensions